Welcome to The Deep Dive. This is a Prime AI podcast brought to you by the folks at Silicon and Silk.
Great to be here. Okay, let's unpack this. You know that feeling, right? You're shopping online, you find something great, perfect shirt maybe.
Yeah.
And then you hit that wall. Sizing. What size do you even pick? Will it fit? And oh God, the hassle of sending it back if it doesn't.
It's like the number one frustration with buying clothes online, I think.
Yeah.
That uncertainty. Brands are all over the place. Styles fit differently. It can feel like you're just guessing.
Totally guessing. So that's why we're doing a deep dive today into something that's trying to fix exactly that. Prime AI's Fit Finder. We've been looking into how it works.
Right.
Our mission here is to really get into how this tech gets you the right size, the data is behind it, and maybe why it's different from the old ways.
It's a really interesting application of AI, applying it to something so, human. Like how clothes fit.
Exactly. So let's kick things off. At its heart, what is Fit Finder actually doing on that product page?
So instead of just throwing a static size chart at you, which, let's be honest, can be pretty confusing.
Yeah, often useless.
Right. It uses predictive AI.
Yeah.
Machine learning. It's trying to give you a personalized size recommendation for that specific thing you're looking at on that website.
Personalized prediction. Okay. How does it get the info from me then? Am I pulling out the tape measure?
No, thankfully not. There are a couple of ways. You can give it some basic details, the first time height, weight, maybe your general body shape.
Okay.
And crucially, how you like things to fit. Snug, loose, tailored, that kind of thing.
That preference bit feels important. A medium isn't just a medium.
Exactly. Or, and this is pretty neat, you can just tell it a size you wear in another brand that you know fits you well. Like, I'm a medium in brand X t-shirts.
Oh, okay. That's much more how people actually think about size.
It is. And for people who shop there, again, the Pro version can even do zero input. If you've bought stuff or returned stuff before.
It remembers.
It learns from your history.
Yeah.
So it might just pop up with a recommendation, no typing needed.
Wow, zero input. That suggests there's a ton of data working in the background. What kind of data are we talking about?
Yeah, it's pulling from quite a few places at once. You've got really detailed product data, SKU level stuff.
The SKU level, meaning?
Like the unique code for that specific item. So data on its specific cut, the fabric, the style, however stretch it has, its fingerprint, basically.
Got it.
Then it actually reads customer reviews using large language models, AI that understands text, to pull out comments about fit, like run small or great length.
Whoa, it's actually learning from reviews. That's smart.
Very smart. And it layers that with purchase data, return data, seeing which sizes come back often for certain items. It looks at how different brands correlate size-wise and patterns in how groups of similar shoppers buy things, these fit clusters.
Okay, that's a lot of inputs.
It is, but it processes it incredibly quickly, like milliseconds to give you that advice.
Milliseconds. That's essential on mobile, definitely. Now, they say this approach is different. How does it stand apart from, say, older tools or just averaging what other people bought?
Yeah, this is key. It's about how it learns. It's not a fixed set of rules. Prime AI actually builds a unique neural network for each retailer.
Okay.
And, get this, potentially for each individual shopper over time.
Wait, a learning system just for me? How?
Think of it like a brain that's constantly adapting. It watches what you look at, what you buy, and really importantly, what you return.
The returns.
Yes. It learns from negative outcomes. If lots of people return a specific shirt in a large, saying it's too small, the system learns that and adjusts its recommendations for that specific shirt. It's not static, it's dynamic.
So learning from failure, essentially, that makes a lot of sense for improving accuracy. Avoid the same mistake again.
Precisely.
Yeah.
It gets smarter with every interaction at the shopper level, the item level, and it knows a tailored jacket needs a different fit recommendation than, say, sweatpants.
Right. Context matters. And they've got proof this works. Mention some big names.
Yeah, they cite case studies. Multi-brand retailers, Speedo, New Balance, Puma, showing it genuinely reduces returns. So it's helping you, the shopper, choose confidently, hopefully in under 30 seconds.
Fewer returns, happier shoppers, better business for the retailer. Win-win.
That's the goal.
Okay, so pulling this all together, Prime AI seems to be using this blend of personalized AI, speed, and learning from everything, including returns, to solve that really tricky human part of online shopping. Finding the right fit.
That sums it up well. Using intelligence and speed to help you get it right the first time.
Right. And, thinking about that point you made, how it learns from negative experiences, like a return, it makes you wonder, Beyond shopping, what other areas, what other systems or services could really benefit from models designed to actively learn from failure, from things not working out, instead of just focusing on the successes? Where else could that lead?